Good day, Ma'am MJ. So I am VJ Adrian Usayman, base 83. So for today, as I'm going to present my final activity, which is the lesson 19 Arduino PDF Rainbow LED. So first things first, we proceed to the code. So first is I want to explain the code first. So we have here the constant red pen is equals to 11. So in this case, the red pen is RGB LED, so it connected to digital pin 11. Then cons in green pin is equals to 10. So we have here the green pin RGB LED, so nakakonect siya sa digital pin nga 10. And then cons in blue pin is equals to 9. So the same thing with the green pin and red green pin and red pin is nakakonect siya sa digital pin nga 9. So as we proceed, no, we have here the void setup. So you can see we have here the code pin mode red pin output, then pin mode green pin output, then pin mode blue pin output. So in this case is we set the giset na to ang pin as an output to run makaran ta siya og kuryente padulong sa LED na atong gi input nga gi-assign. So next is the void loop. So in this case is the color color 25500, then delay 1000. So then delay 1000. So in this case is the red, full red is walay green ug blue, then magulat, then mag-delay siya og 1 second. Then color 0255 0, then green, full green, then magulat na po siya og another 1 second. So let's proceed. Same thing with the color 25500, then delay 1000, then says that mabalik siya sa red, then magulat na po siya 1 second again. Then color 237 109 0, then delay na po or for 1 second. Then yellow, then it says in this case is it says here that yellow is daghan red plus then green. So mo na ang pasabot sa aning code. So next is the color 255 to 15. Then I mean the color 237 109 is a orange mix sa red o green, then magulat na po 1 second. Then the color 255 to 15 is mo na siya ang yellow, then daghan red plus green, then another set of second na po niya atong hulaton. And then same thing with this one, color 0255 0, so mabalik siya sa green, then hulat na po 1 second. Then color 0255 delay 1000, then so on and so forth. Then let's proceed to another set of code. These are the void color unassigned car red, unassigned car green, unassigned car blue, then analog right red pin red, analog right blue pin blue, then analog right green pin green. So in this case we set the brightness as red, then we set also the brightness as blue, then we set the brightness green. So that's all, and then let's proceed to the output. So this is the output. As you can see that the LED are turning into different colors. It's a rainbow LED, and that's all.